And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
Well, another day, another heat advisory in the valley. And this has been becoming more and more common in the last 20 years in particular. When it gets very hot, it seems to stay very hot for an extended amount of time. One way you can track that is looking at the number of consecutive days of 100 degrees or hotter, and we're using McAllen as an example. So notice, you go back 50 years ago, 1970, certainly we had 100-degree days. But we would typically only get a couple in a row, 2 or 3 in general. But notice how that trend has been increasing. And look at this spike. In 2009, we had 49 days in a row of triple-digit temperatures in McAllen. I hope that never happens again. But I wouldn't rule it out. Notice that we had an exceptionally hot summer last year. This summer hasn't been as bad, but here we go. We're seeing a lot of 100-degree temperatures once again. And I tell you what, not to be a downer this morning, but you know, today's the last day of August. So looking ahead to our 3 fall months, September, October, and November, look at this. Warmer than normal across the entire U.S. Not looking like a chilly fall. Now, of course, it will get cooler in the fall. It always does. We will get cold fronts, but I tell you what, not looking like a lot of cold fronts. And if you notice where the most above normal temperatures are going to be, that's probably in the Four Corners, but we're included here in Texas, a little bit warmer than places in the Midwest and Southeast, with the Northeast looking at like a warm fall as well, and maybe impacting the fall colors some there as well. That ridge of high pressure, that's what's over us right now. It's probably going to spend most of the time this fall over the Four Corners, but at times it's going to be right over us. Of course, our days will get shorter, so it won't be as hot as it is right now. But boy, today it's going to be rough. If you want to play golf, you better do it early, because this is going to be a really bad golf day. Because not only is it going to be hot, with highs around 98 this afternoon, especially around 2:30, and feels like temperatures around 110 because of the very high humidity, but it's also going to be windy, which is definitely going to mess up those golf shots, especially those long drives. Yeah, you can blame the wind today. It's okay. Gusts on average around 30 miles per hour in the valley. There is a chance of rain, but don't get excited, because it is not going to be much. I've got a 20% chance for Cameron and Willacy County. That's where it's most likely. We saw a few showers pop up here yesterday. Could happen again today. Notice the chance for Hidalgo, northeastern Starr County, 10%, central and western Starr County, not going to happen. Sea breeze 2 weak today. It is going to be a warm night and a breezy night with gusts around 25 miles per hour, mostly clear, no chance of rain, lows around 82, well above normal for this time of year. 99 tomorrow, so feeling the same as today. Yeah, the temperature's going up, the humidity comes down a little bit, so no chance of rain tomorrow, but it's going to be even windier tomorrow. Average gusts around 35 miles per hour. Those gusts might reach 40 miles per hour in parts of Cameron and Willacy County. More news right after this break.